welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. The US Senate has passed the Guaranteeing Access and Innovation for National Artificial Intelligence Act of 2026, included as an amendment to the National Defense Authorization Act. The legislation mandates that AI and high-performance computing chip makers prioritize domestic orders before exporting abroad. Lawmakers said the measure strengthens national security and ensures US leadership in AI development. However, the policy could restrict chip availability overseas, increasing economic strain on crypto miners dependent on advanced processors. The bill now moves to the House of Representatives before being enacted into law. Crypto exchange Bybit has obtained a full virtual asset platform operator license from the Securities and Commodities Authority of the United Arab Emirates. The license follows 8 months after the SCA guaranteed Bybit in principle approval. It allows Bybit to offer its complete suite of services across the UAE. CEO Ben Zhao said the achievement underscores the company's commitment to compliance and transparency. He praised the UAE for its progressive regulatory framework, which positions it as a global hub for digital asset innovation and responsible crypto adoption. Galaxy Digital, led by Mike Novogratz, has raised $460 million to transform its former Bitcoin mining facility into Texas into a large-scale AI data center. The investment from one of the world's largest asset managers involves the purchase of 12.77 million Class A shares at $36 each. Funds will support the expansion of Galaxy's Helios campus, which will deliver 133 megawatts of IT capacity by early 2026. The move marks Galaxy's strategic shift from crypto mining to AI infrastructure, aligning with growing institutional interest in high-performance data processing. Tokenization firm Securitize is considering a public listing via a merger with the special purpose acquisition company backed by Cantor Fitzgerald, according to Bloomberg. The deal could value the company at over $1 billion, making it one of the first unicorns in the tokenized real-world asset sector. Securitize currently oversees $4.62 billion in tokenized assets as per RWA.xyz. The company is still evaluating its options and may choose to stay private. The move signals growing institutional confidence in blockchain-powered financial infrastructure. US spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $2.71 billion in weekly inflows, sustaining their strong Uptober performance despite temporary outflows triggered by political comments. Data from Soso Value shows total ETF assets climbed to $158.96 billion, accounting for nearly 7% of Bitcoin's total market capitalization. Analysts highlight the steady inflows as a sign of growing institutional demand for Bitcoin exposure. With expanding participation from asset managers and pension funds, ETFs continue to serve as a key gateway for traditional investors into the digital asset market. Crypto.com CEO Chris Maslick has urged regulators to investigate exchanges following a record $20 billion liquidation event within 24 hours, surpassing the FTX era cash. In a post on X, Maslick called for a thorough review of exchange behavior, questioning whether some platforms slowed execution, mispriced assets, or failed compliance checks. The call comes amid mounting scrutiny over fair trade practices in the crypto sector. Market observers say the crash exposed vulnerabilities in exchange systems, reigniting debates on transparency and investor protection. Binance has pledged to compensate users who faced verifiable losses due to system malfunctions during the recent $19.3 billion liquidation wave. The exchange experienced severe latency and order delays as record trading volumes overwhelmed its infrastructure. Co-founder Yi and CEO Richard Teng issued public apologies, assuring affected users of reimbursements for losses tied to USDE and staking tokens BN Sol and WB Ether. Binance's move follows widespread calls for accountability as exchanges grapple with ensuring reliability during volatile market swings. Hong Kong's largest licensed crypto exchange, HashKey Group, is preparing for an initial public offering that could raise up to $500 million, Bloomberg reported. The listing comes as Hong Kong enforces tighter crypto rules, including new custody standards and potential restrictions on stablecoins and derivatives. Despite stricter oversight, Hong Kong continues to position itself as Asia's most open digital asset hub. HashKey's IPO could become a landmark for regulated crypto businesses, reflecting rising institutional trust in compliant blockchain platforms. Visa has launched a stablecoin pre-funding pilot under its Visa Direct platform to streamline cross-border business payments. The initiative lets companies fund global payouts using stablecoins instead of pre-parked fiat, freeing up liquidity and reducing settlement delays. Visa says the program aims to make treasury operations more efficient by enabling faster, low-cost movement of capital across borders. The pilot could transform global cash flow management, offering businesses near-instant funding options for digital transactions in the evolving global payment ecosystem. A new State Street survey shows institutional investors plan to raise their digital asset allocations from 7% to 16% by 2028, signaling growing faith in blockchain and AI-powered markets. The report highlights that investors are increasingly blending traditional and decentralized finance models, though skepticism remains about full DeFi integration. Analysts say this shift reflects a broader strategy of diversification and digital transformation across global portfolios as blockchain and AI continue to gain traction in institutional investment framework. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miyuchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.